Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cami and on this channel we focus mainly on graphic design, and today we're going to be looking at rebranding, specifically my rebranding, and share some tips on how you could rebrand yourself too. So let's start with my current logo and current colour palette and typography. So this is what I use, this is the font that I've used, and it's a handwritten font but it's quite slim, and the logo that I used was the B, but again it's yellow and black and the colours don't really represent me as a person, and it didn't represent the people, the clients that I want to attract. Therefore I decided to rebrand. So the first thing that I did to start my rebranding is look for a font, and here you can see there's a couple of variations of the same font. This font is called Wished, and a couple of variations contain different glyphs, and as I wasn't unsure about which one to choose, I decided to create my colour palette. And as you can see, I have a little mood board of different colours that I want to try out, but basically I wanted to have some yellows contain the yellows like I have before, just change it a little bit, but I also wanted to have some pinks and reds in my colour palette. So this process was a lot of trial and error, and it's looking for a brand that you really enjoy looking at and that you're proud of. And at this stage there was something that was missing in it, and unfortunately I don't have the footage of all of the edits that I did, but what I did was create the buzzy graphics, the buzzy and the graphics to be interlinked by the Y. And that's what really made me like the main logo. And the colours that I really liked here is the yellow and the red, as well as swapping those around as well. As you can see, there's a lot of variations of this logo, so I can have the option to use any of these, but it's very important to have consistency in your branding. And here is the finished product, and as you can see, the Y is interlinked with the P. This is something that I really liked, and this is definitely my favourite variation of this logo. And then one of the things that I haven't filmed was this variation, which just contains the B and the G again, and it's interlinked together. And I kept the B the same, as I think this is something very important within my brand, so you can see two variations of this as well. And I created another variation where the B is on the left side next to the buzzy graphics. And yeah, this is my colour palette, and I really like these colours. I think they represent me so much better than what I had before. I like how bold the colours are, and they just represent me as a person and the people that I want to work with. It's definitely attracting those people much better compared to the black and the yellow. And here you can see my fonts. So the header is obviously Wish, like I said before, and the body text is Rama Gothic E Light. And it's important to have both a header text as well as a body text, just in case you'd ever need that. And most likely you have a website, so that's when you'll have to have a body text. And here you can see some of the behind the scenes of the photography of me, as I wanted to bring myself more into the brand, as I think it's important to have a personal brand, and I think it makes the client feel more comfortable when they know who is behind the business. So yeah, this is my favourite photos of me that I'll be posting on Instagram as well and on my website. And I also have rebranded my website, so if you are interested you can go check that out, as well as check me out on Instagram, see what's happening there, see my rebranding process. I have posted some of the pictures that you can see here as well. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe and comment. I do read all of the comments and I enjoy the positivity in there. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!